First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, good morning, everybody, on this midday. A little bit of light rain shower activity across south central Kentucky this morning, but a lot of that now is about to come to an end. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar showing that a majority of the shower activity is now dissipating, but we're still seeing a line of clouds, especially just back to the west of us. West of that line from Hopkinsville, Madisonville, maybe Beaver Dam, Hartford, that's where the sun is trying to break through, and even as close as Russellville, we're beginning to see a few breaks in that cloud cover. Currently 58 degrees as we look at mesonet sites. Since midnight, 21/100ths of an inch of rain in Munfordville, 9/100ths, almost a tenth of an inch of rain here in Bowling Green, 22/100ths in Russellville, 16/100ths Franklin, 2/10ths of an inch of rain, Scottsville, about a quarter inch plus in Edmonton, and about that much Campbellsville and Columbia, all since midnight. Temperatures right now mostly in the mid and upper 50s to around 60 degrees across south central Kentucky. Here is a live view from down Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport from the Independence Bank weather cam at this hour, which is showing still an overcast sky, but we'll begin to see maybe a little bit of sun breaking through that overcast here shortly. 58, the current temperature right now in Bowling Green with a calm wind, 100% humidity. Hey, you're seeing a little sun up there in Litchfield from the AAA Systems weather cam. You're looking at 55 degrees currently, still overcast though. Munfordville, you're at 55 after picking up 21/100ths of an inch of rain since this morning. There you see a few breaks in the clouds over in Russellville, Logan County, 60 degrees now with a little bit over 2/10ths of an inch of rain. Mammoth Cave National Park, still cloudy, but some of the colors breaking through now. 56, the current temperature reading. 57 at the airport. And earlier this morning, just across the Ohio River, temperatures were only in the 30s and 40s, even a few 20s, but you can see the warmer air has lifted northward, and therefore the temperatures are rising quickly into the 50s. We're at 57 here, which is 2 degrees warmer than it was at midday yesterday. There's a 12-hour radar showing that disturbance moving through the area and weakening now as it moves off to the east. As we go through time, though, the storm to watch is forming now out in the western part of the country, Nevada, Utah, Idaho, and the parts of the Rockies starting to get some rain and higher elevation snows, but it's that energy that we're going to keep an eye on that's going to come moving across the center part of the country and maybe bringing an onslaught of severe weather, kind of rare for this time of the year, but we often say the fall season is our second severe weather season. It looks like the ingredients will be there, at least in the central part of the country, for some severe weather as we get into late Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe back here at home on Thursday for Halloween. Not good news for the trick-or-treaters, but the warm air is going to be reinforced over the next 24 hours, and the possibility that we could see a disturbance or two ahead of that warm front could set the stage for a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, and then all the rain gets shut off for Wednesday. But then there's that warm flow coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. The warm air is going to shut off the rain for a while, but the moisture will begin to gather. The winds will start to pick up, and it looks like a perfect setup, almost a spring-like setup for the possibility of severe weather here on Thursday. Showers ending this morning, then mostly cloudy. A few breaks of sun, especially west of Bowling Green this afternoon, a high of 65. Then tonight, partly cloudy. Fog developing where we had the rain today, so look for dense fog tomorrow morning, a low of 49. Tomorrow back to 70, partly sunny, still a chance of a shower in the afternoon. We get a break on Wednesday, just windy and warm with a high of 74, but it's Thursday, the day to watch. Already a good 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and it looks like it'll be late afternoon into the evening, right about trick-or-treating time, that we may have to watch for some dangerous storms then. And then for the first weekend of November, turning cooler, highs falling from the mid-60s down into the upper 50s, and of course, this will be the weekend that we do fall back 1 hour's daylight saving time comes to an end. For the very latest weather, 24 hours a day, you can take us with you on our mobile app at WBKO and WBKO.com. So check that out as well to keep it up to date on that developing situation. Of course, Shane will have more tonight. In the meantime, more Midday Live coming up for you in just a minute.